Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. Welcome to the Wolf Exclusive Club service. Let's look to Bitcoin chart first. You can see that we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and that we have good signals to go to the top side. Yeah. If you look to this here, we have a good channel to the top side, something like that, and now is the time is coming to test this channel to the top side. So I think we have a good possibility to go to the top side, but you have to look also to this level. Yeah, you can see here, this is our neckline, this is our support line. So we have theoretically the the possibility to go something like that. Yeah, please look there in this direction. Be careful here in this area. It can be possible that we can also go to 41,000, 42,000. But personal, I think we have a good support in this area. Personal, I would invest or get in here in this area. But no financial advice. Um, I'm not the man who wait for things here. I'm also invest in GET. Yeah, and I not wait. Yeah, because I know I'm losing money here, maybe in this area, but if we turn around and go to the top side, then I have profits. Yeah, so I think you can also see that we're falling here nearly 85,000. Yeah, not 85, yes, 85,400. Going down to 44,000. These are 14,000. Yeah, you can add the 14,000 to this level. Then we are at 22,000, 72,000 here. And this was only also my target here. So I think it makes sense that the price will going to the downside. We will see later these prices here, because this is exactly the amount of down price, or this amount we will see in this area. So you can see we have a good support in this area. You have a risk to 41,000, but we have a good support line. So I think we have a good possibility to go to the top side. You can see this also from here. Look at that. There's also a good formation here. Left shoulder head and the right shoulder. And yeah, we will stay at these levels and go to the top side. Even if you go to the top side, we have one risk, and this is this here. Even if we go to the top side here, we have one risk to go in these levels here. Yeah, to go in this level, because you can see here we test this one time, two time, three time, and if this time we're not going break to the downside, then this will hold, and we have also good support from this here. This new channel is here in this area, so that we can go to the top side. So they have really good signs here, and I don't think that the big move to the downside is coming. Now the big move to the top side is coming, because this is the left shoulder head and the right shoulder is building here. So we're looking to TRB. You can also seeing from TRB that the negative channel is in this side. Yeah. And this we have two channels here, and we have to look closer in this area. So look at as how can I say, as a whole chart. We can also compare Bitcoin. Then you can see that we have something like that. For us, it's interesting this area here, because this is the last move, and for us is this important. This is also important, but for us is this important. And then you can see that we have the same situation here. Our neckline was in this area, and let's look in which area we can find our neckline here. Let's look. It's not the same chart, but I have to look from the timelining. Okay, we have all, so that we can say no, we have to make this is our neckline, because we making this. You see this? Okay, the neckline is moving, so this is the correct. So then that we can say, okay, this was the neckline, and the neckline from here is in these areas. So we have, then we can delete this and make it right. So that you can see we have our base here in this area. So I see no possibility to go more to the downside, because you can see that we have also support from this level here. Yeah. So that I can say, okay, this is the bottom. Yeah. Look at that. How much you want to go to the downside? Yeah. If this happened here, we are not in the bear market. Yeah. It can also happen, but I don't think, because we are good support in this area, and we are not in the bear market. So we have a good possibility to go to the top side, and we have also a good trend to this level. So I think the next move, look at that, you have positive channels here. So the big move is something like that. If you look to Bitcoin price is rising. I think we will see something like that. Yeah. Stay at these levels. Then you see we're going out of this first negative channel. This is the negative channel. And after that, we have to go out of the second positive channel. And this is this here. And if we go out of this second positive channel, negative channel, then we have a good possibility to go to the next level. So I think we will see something like that. Left shoulder head and the right shoulder. Please be careful here in this area. It can be happen that we test this level again. Yeah. This is the worst level that we have here, because this is similar like this here, similar like this, that we're testing this area. Yeah, this or this is not so clear, but it will come. And after that, I think you'll see here left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and the price will go to the top side. I think We have a theoretically price actions to, let's look, to $100, because this is, um, you see, this is our channel to the top side, and if this happened, we will go to the top side in this direction. You can also see the high price was here at $90, so we have to look. Yeah, from chart technical point of view, that makes sense. Yeah, we have to look if something not happened from the company side or crypto side. This is the way. Yeah, please, we have also one possibility here. If you look to this here, look at that. Yeah, please look. This is important here. Here, we have to go out from this here. It's very, very important. If we want to see this here, $100, then we have to go in these areas. Yeah, $60. If the price pending here in these areas, then the risk is very big that we fall in these areas back. So please look to your crypto that we break this line here to the top side. Very, very important. If we can break this, then we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder, and then we can go to the top side. Yeah, this is the condition. If this is not fulfilled, then you can forget this $100. Yeah, please look that we can break this resistance line to the top side, 52. Yeah, you can also see a spike. These spikes are very positive, so I think let's see and wait what happened here. But this is no financial advice from my side. This is my opinion, the experience that I have over the 20 years. Let's look. Have a nice day.